Hello, welcome to this little update video. The Oracle JDK is now deprecated for Java 8 and now you need an Oracle account to download it. So we need other builds from the OpenJDK, for example from adopt.openjdk.net. You can also choose other builds like from Zulu or other companies. On this website you need to select your JDK version. We need the OpenJDK for the Java 8 version, and that's also the long time supported version. Leave it to the hotspot VM and then choose your operating system. I choose Windows 64-bit, and then you can install the JRE only if you want to run applications for Java, but for programming you need the JDK. This is a little handy installer. You should choose this because this sets the environment variables correctly, and then we don't need to do anything. Okay, I already have downloaded it, so I execute this file. The installer shows up, you click on next, accept the license agreement, and then it's important that you set this to the function should be installed on your hard drive, because then it sets up the path variable and the Java home variable which we need for the Gradle environment. Okay, just click next and install, and after some seconds we have the JDK version of Java 8 installed. Perfect. Now we can check if it's set up correctly. Type in Java -version and you should see 1.8.0_212. And you should check if the Java compiler is installed too, so the JDK is working. Yes, it's because the command is registered, and you can also check if the Java home path is set up correctly with echo %java_home. Okay, perfect, thanks for watching. I hope you can now set up Java, and I'll see you in the next video.